Let's try using Google Gems to create an agent that will summarize meeting minutes. This is a step-by-step guide for beginners. We start by going to gemini.google.com/gems/view. Navigate down and click New Gem. Next we name our gem. I'm naming this one the Meeting Summarizer, because that's what it will exactly do. I'll give it a short description. I want to break down the instructions into 3 parts: role, task, and the output. The role will give my gem the persona it will play. I think of it as a job title. This role will be a product manager that tracks discussion points in meetings for documentation and future reference. The task will tell the gem what to do. In this case, when I add or paste a meeting transcript, I want it to create a meeting summary. The summary should include attendees of the meeting, discussion points that we raised, status updates, blocker, key decisions made, who made the decisions, key considerations, deadlines, stakeholders, next steps, and action items. The output will tell the gem how you want the document to be presented. For me, the meeting summary should be a word processed document in bullet points format. Each bullet point should highlight discussion points that we raised, status updates, blocker, key decisions made, who made the decisions, key considerations, deadlines, stakeholders, next steps, and action items. Any other discussion topics should also be included. Be as detailed as possible. After final checks, let's save it. Let's try it by uploading a meeting transcript. You will see that it reads through the meeting transcript, summarizes it into bullet points with headers. What I learned is that you need to be specific with what you are asking for, to get the outcome that you want. It never hurts to give more details.